Good day po, teachers. Welcome back po dito sa Learning Park kung saan po tayo nag-share ng DepEd latest news and update and free learning resources. So, quick update lang po tayo, teachers, no? Dumating na po yung ating pinakahihintay na SRI o ang Service Recognition Incentive. So, check po natin yung post from Ma'am Annalyn M. Sevilla, ating Undersecretary sa DepEd. So, meron pong pictures. Kasama po ang ating mahal na Pangulo, ang ating Secretary of Education, Sani Engara, at ating Department of Budget Management Secretary na si Secretary Pangandaman. At ito nga po, nakalagay po na Ferdinand Marcos, our President, has directed the Department of Budget Management or DBM and the Department of Education to collaborate on providing a higher Service Recognition Incentive SRI for public school teachers. Now, the government intends to raise the annual SRI around 1 million DepEd employees from 18,000 to 20,000 pesos. So magbunyi po teachers dahil ito po yung ating expected SRI po, no? Service Recognition Incentive. So yan din po ay na-publish sa Philippine Information Agency. So yan po, no? From 18,000 to 20,000 pesos. So masayang-masaya po ang mga aguruan dahil ito po totoo na po ang SRI at mas higher po, no? 20,000 pesos po yung ating in-expect. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.